कौन नहीं भूलता, कौन नहीं भूलता, हम बच्चे भूल जाते हैं। 2 सितंबर को जो टीचर ने डांटा, उसी की वजह से आज स्कूल में पहला रैंक मिला। हम सबको पार्टी देते हैं, लेकिन टीचर को थैंक्स कहे बिना ही घर चले जाते हैं। टीचर भी भूल जाते हैं। हमें पढ़ाते वक्त भूल जाते हैं। दोपहर का खाना, टाइम कितना हुआ, ये भी भूल जाते हैं। रात को किसी स्टूडेंट का फ़ोन आया कुछ पूछने, तो भूल जाते हैं कि अभी सोने का वक्त है। किसने कौन सी शरारत की, ये भी भूल जाते हैं। टीचर को तो याद रहता है, बस एक स्टूडेंट। सारी जिंदगी की कहानी सुनाता हूँ एक ऐसे शख्स की जिनकी तारीफ में कमी हो गई है लफ्ज़ की। हमेशा अटल रहते थे अपनी बातों पे, तकदीर खुद लिखी उन्होंने अपने हाथों पे। थे वो एक पुजारी और ट्रांसफ़र हुआ था उनका नागपुर से अकोला में। इस बात से अनजान थे कि उनकी ज़िंदगी एक दूसरा मोड़ लेने वाली है। थी उन्हें इच्छा बच्चों का भविष्य बनाने में, इसलिए उन्होंने अपने आगे का वक्त व्यतीत किया बच्चों को पढ़ाने में। थी नहीं उनके पास जगह बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए, इसलिए चर्च के कंपाउंड में उन्होंने खोल लिए निप्पल क्लासेस इंग्लिश पढ़ाने के लिए। पढ़ाने का उनका भी क्या अंदाज था, भगवान ने उन्हें वरदान दिया ही कुछ खास। कुछ तो था उस इंसान में, जंग जीते थे उन्होंने अपने हर इम्तिहान में। इतने कड़े संघर्ष के बाद 1992 में उन्होंने एक स्कूल खोले, नोएल स्कूल, 3 बच्चों के प्रवेश के साथ। बुलंद थे हौसले उनके, अटल थे फैसले उनके। इस छोटी सफलता के बाद, कड़ी मेहनत करने के बाद 2005 में 26 छात्रों के पहले बैच ने मैट्रिक पूरा किया, जिससे सर का सपना सच होता गया। फिर उन्होंने भी ठान लिए कि मैं चलता रहूँगा पथ पर, चलने में माहिर बन जाऊँगा, या तो लिखने लायक कुछ कर जाऊँगा या करने लायक कुछ लिख जाऊँगा। कहते हैं ना कि कुदरत हमारे मेहनत का एक ज़र्रा भी ज़ाया नहीं होने देती, क्योंकि वहाँ तूफ़ान भी हार जाते हैं जहाँ कश्तियाँ ज़िद पर होते हैं। इसलिए हमारे विजय मनवर सर के वजह से नोएल स्कूल बनी, और सर के वजह से आज स्कूल में हज़ारों से ज़्यादा छात्र हैं। सर, आपने हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ किया जिसे हम शब्दों में बयां भी नहीं कर सकते। आप हमें आज छोड़ के तो चले गए, लेकिन आपकी खुशबू आज भी स्कूल में महकती है। थैंक यू अनोल सर, अनुज सर और अर्पणा मैम। और आखिरी में बस इतना कहना चाहता हूँ,
जब भी कोई काम करो, जब भी कोई कार्य करो, तो उसे ऐसे करो कि काम को गर्व हो कि तुमने उसे किया।
fellow students, and a star of the day, my dear teachers. I am Vivek Rajesh Kodukar, studying 9 intellectuals. I am present here to giving a speech on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is the most crucial occasion in every student life. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th of September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teacher is a friend. Teacher is a friend and a guide of our life who also imparts a good value in us. Teachers take best effort to turn the student into the responsible citizen. Teachers plays a very important role in one of our lives. I have composed a little poem on the teacher. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give, that's make a world-based teacher. Thank you very much.
Thanksgiving Day was near and first grade teacher asked their students to prepare something that they are most thankful for. Go. Students, Thanksgiving Day is here and I want all of you to prepare something that you are most thankful for. Okay? The holiday with turkey and other traditional goodies of the season. These, the teacher thought would be the subject of most of her students' art, and they were. But Meera made a different kind of picture. Meera was a different kind of girl. She was teacher's true child of misery, frail and unhappiness. As other children played in recess, Meera was likely to stand close by her side. One could only gaze at the pain Meera felt behind those eyes. I want all of you to show me your drawings. Show me what you have prepared.
Teacher, I am thankful to soldiers, so I have drawn a soldier.
Okay, beta.
Teacher, I am thankful to my mother, so I have drawn my mother's picture.
Okay, very good.
I have drawn nature.
Okay, very good. Beta, show me what you have drawn. Meera, what you have drawn? Wow, a hand. Her abstract image captured the imagination of her peers. Whose hand it would be? One child guessed it was the hand of a farmer. Because her abstract image captured the imagination of her peers. And they took it from her.
Maybe it is a hand of farmer.
What are you laughing at?
अरे पागल है.
What are you laughing at?
Nothing, just Meera's picture.
Oh.
Maybe it is a hand of farmer.
No, maybe it is a hand of police.
No, maybe it is a hand of God.
Yes. Meera, come here. Whose picture have you drawn?
Teacher, it's your hand.
She recalled the times she had taken her hand and walked with her here or there, as she had the other students. How often she had said, "Take my hand, Meera, we will go outside," or "Let me show you how to hold it together," or "Let's do this together." Meera was most thankful for her teacher's hand. Brushing aside a tear, she went on with her work. This story speaks of more than thankfulness. It says something about teachers teaching and parents parenting and friends showing friendship, and how much it means to the Meeras of the world. They might not know always say thanks, but they'll remember the hand that reaches out.
When God created teacher, He gave us special friends to help us understand His word and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder of everything we see and become a better person with each discovery. Created teachers, He gave us special guide to show us ways in which to grow, so we can all decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. My God created teachers in His wisdom and His grace was to help us learn to make our world a better, wiser place. On today's special occasion of Teachers' Day, I am here with a small tribute to thank all our teachers for everything they do for us.
कहना है एक बड़ा सा thank you, है सब कुछ towards me, रोज सिखाते जाए कुछ नया, या दुनिया हाथों में रख दे. Thanks a lot, lots a lot, many ways just to say thanks a lot. सुबह हो या शाम, चाहे जो भी हो, काम होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम. Thanks a lot, lots a lot, many ways just to say thanks a lot. a lot. So many ways to say thanks a lot. गाते रहे हम चाहे खुशी हो या गम, अपनी ये दुनिया को खत्म. Thanks a lot. So many ways to say thanks a lot.
5. Go. I really thank all the teachers for their precious contribution in our lives and wish a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
हम सब बच्चे स्कूल है जाते, शिक्षक हमको पाठ पढ़ाते. दिल बच्चों का कोरा कागज, उस पर ज्ञान अमिट लिखवाते. जाति धर्म पर लड़े न कोई, करना सबसे प्रेम सिखाते. हमें सफलता कैसे पानी, कैसे चढ़ना शिखर बताते. सच तो ये है स्कूल में अच्छा एक इंसान बनाते. गुड मॉर्निंग रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स एंड ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. As we are here to celebrate the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank every teacher who has been our guiding force during the lockdown. You have not only taught us the new way to learn but have also motivated us during the lockdown. As Teachers' Day is celebrated every year, I would like to take this opportunity to talk about the history of Teachers' Day and why we celebrate it. The day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian scholar. He was also the second president of India in 1962 to 1967. In olden times, there were the Gurukul system of teaching where the students left their houses to stay with the sages in the forest. They educated the students for years who returned to their homes after several years of trainings. These sages were worshipped by the students and their parents like they worship God. Since then, teacher is placed next to God. The teaching system had been modified over the years, and today we see a large number of educational institutions running across the country. Teaching is the greatest act of optimism. It is one such profession that creates all other professions. On behalf of all the students, I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. We are privileged to grow under your guidance. You showed us the right path. You were always there when we were in trouble, whether it was academic or personal. We are proud to say that we are cultivated by the finest gardeners. Last but not the least, I would like to end my speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote, "The purpose of education is to make human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers." Thank you to all my teachers who have always been our guiding light and support system. Thank you very much.
धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांधे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे। दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम ये कहे।
Hello and a jovial morning to one and all. In this period of lockdown, I cannot go and wish my teacher Happy Teachers' Day. So through this video, I would like to wish my all teachers Happy Teachers Day. The drawing has a letter for all teachers who inspired hope in me, igniting my imagination and instilling in me a love of learning. We get success in our life because of her. So the painting signifies importance of teacher in my life and posts my good wishes to my splendid teachers.
बीती बातें याद आती हैं जब अकेला होता हूँ मैं। बोलती हैं खामोशियाँ, सबसे छुप के रोता हूँ मैं। एक अरसा हुआ मुस्कुराए हुए, एक अरसा हुआ मुस्कुराए हुए, आंसुओं में ढली दास्तां, मैं तू जिंदगी है कहाँ। छोड़ा है जहान नीचे मैं तुम्हारे अब हूँ हवाले। अब दूर दूर लोग बाग मीलों दूर ये वादियाँ, धुआं धुआं तन्हार बदली चली आती है छूने, पर कोई बदली कभी कहीं कर दे तन गीला ये भी ना हो। किसी मंजर पर मैं रुका नहीं, कभी खुद से भी मैं मिला नहीं, ये गिला तो है मैं खफा नहीं। शहर एक से गांव एक से लोग एक से नाम एक मिट्टी जैसे सपने ये किताबी पलकों से झाड़ो फिर आ जाते हैं। इतने सारे सपने क्या कहूँ किस तरह से मैंने तोड़े छोड़े तू ही मंजिल मैं तेरा मुसाफिर, रोला बैठा तेरे करके मैं हो गया काफिर। तेरे लिए मैं जहाँ से टकराऊंगा, सब कुछ खो के तुझको ही पाऊंगा। दिल बन के मैं दिल धड़काऊंगा, तेरा बन जाऊंगा।
a doctor away. But what should I eat to make awesome teachers like you always come my way? Galaxy of intellectuals, highly obliged teachers, and all my dear friends. Hello and a very propitious morning to one and all present over here. I am Ruchika Dinesh Vaske from 10th Dynamites, wishing all the teachers a very jovial Teachers' Day. Today I am here to recite a very grateful poem for my dear respected teachers. When alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. When my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. The time when you taught me how to stand in a queue. The time when you taught me how to stand in a queue. The manners with which I speak today is only because of you. You held me when the winds blew strong. You held me when the winds blew strong, and the way you punished me when I went wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So, why just I dedicate to you a single day? So, why should I just dedicate to you just a single day? Every moment for me is a Teacher's Day. People will leave, but their teachings will stay. People will leave, but their teachings will stay. To all my teachers who have taught me something in some way, all that I have to say is Happy Teachers' Day.
देते हैं शिक्षा शिक्षक हमारे, नमन चरणों में गुरु तुम्हारे। बिना शिक्षा सूना जीवन है, शिक्षित जीवन सदा नवजीवन है। शिक्षक दिन की आप सबको हार्दिक शुभेच्छाएं। Honorable Principal, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today we have assembled here to celebrate the Teachers' Day. The birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan on 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. In our country and culture, teacher enjoys great honor and respect to them. He is considered as foundation of all knowledge and source of great ideal. He is a torch bearer to a society. Teacher can guide the whole generation through the versatile personality. He is an architect of a nation. The lessons learned from the teachers remains with their students throughout the life. India has a great legacy of teachers from Chanakya, Dronacharya, Brihaspati to Gurudev Tagore and Dr. Radhakrishnan, who influenced the country with their philosophy. We should remember the Socrates, who was an example of a good teacher. He considered himself a learner as well as a teacher. We should always respect our teachers who strive hard to shape our personality and career. They reveal the direction and the goal, whereas we students lay the road journey into future. We should not forget the Eklavya who offered his thumb to the teacher Dronacharya. We should not forget Shri Krishna and Chandragupta, who always revered their teacher. We can't seek knowledge without teacher. In Hindu culture, Guru Purnima is celebrated to pay respect to the teacher. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a model teacher and he had realized the importance of teacher in human life. I too pay respect teachers in my life and conclude my speech by saying, we will always be thankful to you for all your efforts and hard work that you have put in to educate us. Happy Teachers' Day.
बेपरवाह इरादे सभी पन्ने फिक्रों के उड़ा दे अभी कैसे जीना सबको सिखा दे अभी अपने है बेपरवाह इरादे सभी पन्ने फिक्रों के उड़ा दे अभी कैसे जीना सबको सिखा दे अभी हो है यारी हवाओं से उड़ेंगे नई अदाओं से ओ एक बार हम जो चढ़ेंगे सर पे कभी ना उतरेंगे हम नहीं सुधरेंगे हम नहीं सुधरेंगे थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे हम नहीं सुधरेंगे हम नहीं सुधरेंगे हम नहीं सुधरेंगे थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे हम नहीं सुधरेंगे
गुरुरे ब्रह्मा गुरुरे विष्णु गुरुरे देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Galaxy of intellectuals, distinguished guests, honorable principal, highly esteemed teachers, and all my fellow friends. On the behalf of the all entire student committee, I wish all our teachers a happy Teachers' Day. Celebrating Teachers' Day in school is one of the finest memory of the school days. We are deeply grateful to have all the teachers who are working hard to impart to us not only education and knowledge but also values without which our life would be meaningless. We all know the importance of teachers in our life. A teacher is a person who motivates us, educates us, nurtures us and also bring discipline in us, which is very important in our life. Though our parents have given us birth and brought up to this stage, but a lot of credit of molding us into a fine citizen goes to teacher. It is rightly said that a teacher is the best philosopher, guider, and a friend. A great teacher is not simply one who imparts knowledge or education to a student, but one who awakens their interest in it and make them eager to pursue it by themselves. I have no words to express my gratitude towards our teacher who are working and taking so much efforts and pain for making our doubts clear in this pandemic situation also, and for also teaching us the importance of value of life. On this occasion, I pray to God to shower His blessings on our teachers also. That our teachers do not take teaching as a job, they take it as a responsibility. We are indeed lucky to have you all teaching us. Teachers, we all love you. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you for giving your patient ears to me. I would conclude by saying, अज्ञानता को दूर करके ज्ञान की ज्योत जलाई है. गुरु के चरणों में रहकर ही हमने ज्ञान पाई है. गलत राह पर भटके थे हम जब तब गुरु ने ही सह राह दिखाई. थैंक यू.
इरादे सभी पन्ने ये फिक्रों के उड़ा दे अभी कैसे जीना सबको सिखा दे अभी अपने है बेपरवाह इरादे सभी पन्ने ये फिक्रों के कभी ना उतरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे।
Hello everyone, this is Vidhi Saraf from class 10th Dynamites. Today, on the special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to extend my gratitude to all of them who have taught me even the smallest lessons of life. I have been studying in the Noel English School since 2008. Almost I have spent 12 years of my life in this school. In this journey, I have met many teachers who have contributed to my growth and development in one or the other way. Thereby, I thank all of them. To all the teachers who have taught me from nursery till now, I wish a very happy Teachers' Day. Here I have a presentation for you all.
आपसे ही सीखा, आपसे ही जाना, आप ही को हमने गुरु है माना, सीखा है सब कुछ आप ही से हमने, कलम का मतलब आप ही से जाना, आप ही से जाना. Galaxy of intellectuals, highly obliged teachers and all my dear friends. A warm and heartfelt welcome to all the students and teachers who have connected with us today in this online celebration of Teachers' Day. I, Miss Janvi Tade, a student of 10th Dynamite, find this opportunity as a golden opportunity to pay a tribute to our teachers for their selfless efforts. Teachers' Day is commemorated on 5th of September on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. As we all know that it is impossible to define teachers, as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academics, but also helping students to take the right path. They add value to our character and make us ideal citizens of the country. Teachers play a prominent role in motivating and inspiring students. After parents, teachers take this big responsibility of molding a child's character at every step of his life. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. Even in this pandemic, when the world is facing fear, insecurity, lockdown, all our teachers are stepping forward and putting their best efforts to ensure that we all are not stopped from getting education. All our teachers worked hard and harder and ensured that they can shower the same knowledge and wisdom even through the medium of online classes. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to our teachers for the selfless love they have been showering us and the contribution they have made. Teachers are the backbone of our country. Therefore, it is our utmost duty to salute and convey our wishes to our teachers in recognition of their unerringly efforts. Today, let us take some time to honor their contribution and immense efforts. Therefore, today, on behalf of all Noelites, I want to thank our teachers for their efforts and guidance. अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाया, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताया. अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाया, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताया. कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से हमें जीवन जीना सिखाया, हमें जीवन जीना सिखाया. I would like to end my speech here by extending my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you, teacher. Thank you very much.
मान भी मिला, सम्मान भी मिला, ज्ञान भी मिला, अभिमान भी मिला. टीचर्स के आशीर्वाद से हमें हमारे जीवन का सही मुकाम मिला. Teachers, it is not just a word, but it's a very noble profession that shapes our character, caliber, and future of its students. Hello and a very exhilarative morning to all the honorable guests present here. Our respected principal ma'am, our beloved teachers, and all my dear friends. This is Yashashri Mohod here, currently studying in 10 Dynamites. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and to talk about today's main personalities. Yes, our teachers. Firstly, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. By the way, we are aware of the fact that 5th September, the birth anniversary of India's second president, is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India with great felicity. He was an evocative teacher who believes that teachers should be the best minds in the country. Exactly true. Because teachers are the ones who adds value to our character and shapes our future. There's a saying, teachers have three lovers. Firstly, the love of learners, the love of learning, and third one is the love of bringing these first two lovers together. Exactly. It is impossible to define teacher, as teacher not only teaches or guides students for their academics, but also helps students to choose right path in their life. Now, during this corona pandemic also, where the schools and colleges are closed, our education is still continuing. This is all because of our teachers. This year, we are unable to go to schools and colleges, but teachers are teaching us with great dedication. I extend my gratitude to each and every teacher for their selfless love and respect. Thanks for being there in our life. Thanks for being the source of knowledge and wisdom. Teachers provide us hope. Hope to score good marks in exam. Hope to perform in activities and hope to be a successful person in our life. Lastly, I would like to express my feelings by using a short poem. When alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When while writing my hands shook, you took them to your care. When you taught me to stand in a queue, the manners with which I speak today is only because of you. You are the reason why I am me today. For me, every day is Teacher's Day. People will leave, but your teachings will always stay. People will leave, but your teachings will always stay. To all my teachers who have taught me something in some way, all that I have to say is Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you so much.
Galaxies of Intellectuals, most reverend teachers and all the staff members present over here. I, Ms. Rupa Kumar, is here with my friends to present a short program in front of you.
कृपा तेरी जो है हम पे, भुला पाएंगे हम कैसे। जंग ये है जीवन के लड़ेंगे तेरे बिन कैसे। अंधेरा जब घना छाए तो सूरज